Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can use Airtable to track your guitar learning progress with our full 2025 guide. First off, we start by creating a new base. You can name it something like Guitar Learning Progress. This step is crucial as it's the foundation where you'll log your progress. Now that we've done that, let's create different tables for each aspect of your learning. For instance, you might have tables for songs learned, chords mastered, scales practiced, and so forth. The reason we do this is to have a detailed and compartmentalized overview of your progress, making it easier for you to identify what areas you've improved in and what still needs work. Next up, we'll establish fields within each table. For example, in the Songs Learnt table, you might have fields like song title, date learned, and difficulty level. This helps us because it allows us to record specific details about each of our achievements. Let me explain why this matters. By documenting these details, you can easily track your progress over time and identify patterns in your learning. It's like having a personal learning diary that's organized and easy to reference. Finally, we'll use Airtable's unique features to make our tracking even more efficient. You can add color-coded labels to indicate your comfort level with each song or chord. Also, you can link records between tables, for example, linking a song to a specific chord or scale used. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By doing this, you're creating a web of information that's interconnected, giving you a comprehensive overview of your learning journey. And that's it. You now have a personalized, efficient system to track your guitar learning progress using Airtable. With this tool, you're one step closer to mastering the guitar. Thanks for tuning in, and keep strumming those strings.